Vishwamitra, every day he's begging the food because he have lot of knowledge and education, but somehow he can't make the money. Daridrya is there. And one day Mahavishnu came as a Vruddha Brahmana Swarupa, like old Brahmin, and asked him, why you are wandering around like that? And the poor Brahmin replied, I am thinking to beg for food. I have a lot of knowledge and education. Still I couldn't make money or anything. Please tell me how to do this. And then Vruddha Brahmana Swarupa, that Satyanarayana, told him, you do Satyanarayana Swami Vrata, then your problem will vanish, like that. And finally, that day he went for Bhiksha. I will do Satyanarayana Swami Vrata like that. Because of Satyanarayana Swami's blessing, and he thought that Vruddha Brahmana told, will do Bhiksha like that. He went and did the Bhiksha. Because of Satyanarayana Swami's blessing, he got plenty of food, more money, and other things like previous days. And finally, he came home, performed the puja with simple way, whatever he has. Because of Satyanarayana Swami's blessing, he lived very happily. Day by day, his life is improved. And one day, he is doing Satyanarayana Swami Vrata in his house. One Kashtagrahi, Kashtagrahi means who sell the wood,